Hello and welcome back to the Moeller's workshop. So we've been talking about Arduinos and we've been talking about microcontrollers and all kinds of other goodies that do interesting things, but today I got inspired to try to develop a synthesizer of my own utilizing digital control. And these microcontrollers operate at 16 megahertz, so that gives you a lot of power over the audio spectrum, because frequencies that are that high can't be heard. So while your program is operating in the background, you could be creating sound with it. And that's what I've done here. I've got two nanos, Nano Master and Nano Slave. The Master is what creates the sequence of tones that you're going to hear. I'm going to turn up the volume in a second, but I'm running it through a pedal that has reverb and echo and other things. But the cool thing about this is there's two nanos generating tone. One is listening to what the other one is saying, and then I tune them just a little tiny bit off, and the tones that are generated are really spectacular. You got to hear this really cool sequence. Let's turn up the volume and let you hear it. I can adjust the speed. And this controls how many notes are played by the sequence. So it's one note in the sequence, but there's an octave shifter. An octave shifter, and that's what the different notes you hear is the octave shifter going back and forth. Now if I increase the number of notes played in the sequence, so I think it's like 3 or 4 notes in that sequence, but as the octave shifter blows it back and forth over the different octaves of the keyboard, you can hear that it kind of creates kind of a false tune. Let's give it more notes. I think it's probably 8. I think I wish there'd be a way to hit a button and turn the octave shifter off. Anyway, I'm probably going to make it permanent one of these days. There's no way I'm going to keep it like this, but this is how projects are born. I create them on these breadboards, and then I create the diagram for them, and then I build them. Isn't that great? Have a great day.